ADAs, need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection, and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will address the common issue of the Dell Alienware PC on-CEF not powering on. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any damage to the components. Begin by disconnecting the power supply and removing the battery if applicable. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the back panel is off, carefully inspect the motherboard for any visible signs of damage, such as burnt components or loose connections. If you notice any dust accumulation, use a can of compressed air to gently clean the interior. This is crucial, as dust can cause overheating and other issues. Now, let's focus on the power connectors. Ensure that all connections are secure. If you find any loose cables, reconnect them firmly. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Next, check the power supply unit. If you have a multimeter, you can test the output voltage to ensure it's functioning correctly. If the power supply is faulty, it may need replacing. We provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get a clear idea of what needs to be done. After confirming the power supply is working, let's move on to the RAM. Remove the RAM sticks and clean the contacts with a soft cloth. Reinsert them firmly into their slots. Sometimes, a poor connection can prevent the laptop from powering on. If the laptop still does not power on, it may be time to inspect the motherboard more closely. Look for any blown capacitors or damaged traces. If you're not comfortable with this level of repair, consider reaching out to us for a quote before repair. We can help you determine the best course of action without any hassle. Once you've completed your checks and repairs, reassemble the laptop by reversing the steps taken earlier. Ensure all screws are tightened properly and the back panel is securely in place. Finally, reconnect the power supply and attempt to power on the device. If it powers on successfully, congratulations! You've repaired your Dell Alienware PC on CEF. If not, don't hesitate to contact us for further assistance. Remember, with our service, there are no calls, no travel, just a simple solution to your tech problems. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.